This is most important now, the favicon or fav icon. I'm not sure how it's pronounced. And this is the icon we see up here or here or here. And we want to make sure that we have our own icon. That's why I told you at the beginning when we were designing our logo that we want to duplicate the site and just have this icon here. Or you can also upload your own picture there or your initials or something. Get creative. It should be visible. For example, here Wix, that's already a little small, but I think Canva did it quite well. I mean, they're a design company, so no surprise. So give it a color, make it bright so it sticks out in the menu bar when people are on your site. So I downloaded this one already. Then I can go back to the settings. Then I go here and now I can just upload it to my media files. Now the icon is uploading. It's quite small because it's just a small icon. Then I can choose this file and now it's displayed here.